Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about can I restrict access to documents based on user authentication strength in a virtual data room. Yes, you can restrict access to documents in a virtual data room VDR based on user authentication strength. VDRs are commonly used for secure document sharing, especially in industries like finance, legal, and healthcare where data security and compliance are crucial. Here's how you can implement access restriction based on user authentication strength in a VDR. User authentication labels implement different levels of user authentication based on your organization's security requirements. Common authentication methods include username and password. This is the best basic form of authentication. Users enter a user and password to access the VDR. Two-factor authentication 2FA requires users to provide a second form of authentication, such as a one-time code sent to their mobile device. In addition to their password, biometric authentication. Some VDRs support biometric authentication like fingerprints or facial recognition. Client certificates. Users can authenticate using client certificates installed on their device. Access control list ACLS utilize access control list to specify who can access specific documents or folder within the VDR. Assign different authentication requirements to this ACLS. For example, you might have highly sensitive documents that require stronger authentication methods, while less sensitive ones can use basic username and password. Role-based access control (RBAC) implement RBAC to categorize users into different roles: administrators, viewers, editors. Each role can have specific access rights, and you can assign authentication requirements accordingly. For instance, administrators may need stronger authentication than viewers. Document level encryption encrypt sensitive documents at rest and in transit. Ensure that decryption keys are only accessible to users who meet specific authentication criteria. Stronger authentication may be required to access encryption keys. Session management. Implement session management features that automatically log out users after a period or inactivity. Users may need to be re-authenticated to regain access. Audit logos. Keep detailed audit logos of user activities, including authentication attempts and access to specific documents. This helps in monitoring and tracking user behavior. Regular security audits, periodically audits and access your VDRS. Securely measures adjust authentication strength and access control as needed based on changing security threats and compliance requirements. Compliance consideration. Be aware of industry-specific compliance regulations, HIPAA, GDPR, and ensure that your VDRS authentication access control mechanism align with these regulations.